Hello, my amazing people. Hello, fashionista family. How are you all doing? I hope you are all doing fine wherever you're watching this video from. I am super excited to share with you in today's episode beautiful and super classy stitch braid styles that you can rock as that beautiful and elegant black woman that you are. Feel free to share with me in the comment section down below what you think about these hairstyles. Are you a lover of stitch braid styles? Share with me and I'll be super glad to reply your beautiful comments. If you enjoy watching the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share the video with others so they get to see these amazing hairstyles shared in this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Prestilex More Fashion, where you get updated on the latest and trending fashion styles. You also get to see amazing hairstyles collection on this channel. If you would love to see more of beautiful and exciting episodes like this, do well to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so as to get notified when I upload a new video on the channel. Thank you so much as you consider subscribing. I want to appreciate you all for watching this video also. I'll see you all in another beautiful and exciting one. Remember to always stay connected to this channel for more beautiful styles are lined up for your viewing. Do have a lovely day. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.